it's Nicole from Let Nicole Help, and in this video, let's explore what we can do to save our branding in Flodesk. So here I am in my account, and I'm going to come up to my logo here in the top right and branding. So of course we will upload our logo. That will automatically then be placed at the top of your email. But what I love most probably is your ability to add your brand colors in here. So you can enter the hex code directly. When you have that, and look how many options you can bring in, which I do love. I should probably add some more in mine. But I'll show you how then those carry through for easy editing in newsletters as well. If you have a brand font, you can even upload that here. I don't have one, but it's as easy as, new font and upload. Company details, of course, we're going to have our name and website and address. And then down here, you can just one time connect your social links to all these platforms. And then anytime you bring in those buttons or follow buttons and things into your email templates, the links will come through. Finally, at the bottom, you have an option to turn on or off Flodesk branding with any paid plan. So I leave mine on because I'm a proud Flodesk partner, but you do have that option to turn that off with a paid account. So if we get into, say we're having a new email template, welcome, and maybe you, let's see, really like the looks of this one, but it's like not even close to your brand colors, right? So if we customize it, we can grab this block. You can see the background color. As soon as I click here, there are my brand colors. Really easy to edit. And similarly, if I click on this text, I would have a really easy option to bring in my brand font here as well. But you can see it automatically included my logo at the top, and the template includes the social buttons. It only includes the 3 for which I provided links, and then of course the address at the bottom. So those are some easy ways to bring in some branding into your Flodesk emails. They make it super easy to utilize their gorgeous templates and personalize them to your brand. I hope this is helpful.